So hello guys, and welcome to the third tutorial on the Unix shell programming. So in the last lecture, as I said, I will teach you the creation of file and making directories in the next tutorial. But before that, I want to make the concept of Unix file system clear to you. So the important thing on the Unix file system is that Unix treat everything that interacts with it as a file. Even the directory we create, it deals it as a file. So the structure of Unix is like upside down tree. Let's look at the structure of what it says. It starts with the root, the slash symbol. For that, let's look at the root. Wait. So this is the root symbol over here, upside down. The root is the main directory. It starts everything with the root. So the next term is bin. The first ever main directory, or I can say file, in the root is bin. So what does the bin means? Bin is the directory or file containing binary executable command files like C programs or either shell programs. So let's look at the bin. Here is the bin, and see, these are all binary executable files. They are either the C programs or the shell programs. The next important file comes is the lib. It is specially made by the Unix for the programmers. What the main function of this is, it provides all the necessary library function for the programmer to make a program. Let's look at that. Here is the lib. It contains all the necessary library functions for the programmers. Now the next thing which is there is dev. So dev basically contains the related file to the input output device, any device particular. So input output device, I can say that monitor, printer, if I connected mouse, keyboards, etc., the input and output device or any other device. For example, I connected my smartphone over here. The related files with these things, devices, are there in the dev. Let's look at that. Where is dev? So these are the files. Now the next thing is the USR. USR is the user directory. Here user directory contains all the users which are using this machine. Every user has their own particular directory and they have to work in their directory only. In the main directory of user, there are other subdirectories. Let's look at that. So where is the user? Yes, I got it. User. As I am the only user in this system after the administrator, so there are only my library and this is my login. So there are all my subdirectories. So the next is temp. Temp, as we all know, stands for temporary file. So the temp here is the directory containing a temporary file created by the Unix or the users. It is deleted with respect to time. So when we logged in, the work we do, the temporary files are created, and when we shut down or restart our PC, then the temporary files get deleted. Last but not the least, the Unix. The file which is under the root Unix is nothing but the Unix kernel. Beside this, I want to give you the information about the permissions. There are different permissions for the things. The owner root access permission, group root access permission, there are different permissions for different users. And the thing is that Everything that interacts with the Unix system is dealt as a file. So that's it in this lecture. In the next tutorial, I will be teaching you about how to create files and how to make directories. Thank you for watching.